Decision tree. In this video, we will learn how to build a decision tree, specifically a regression tree model, using R and how to predict new data. To build the model, we will load two packages. The repart package is used for creating regression tree models, and repart.plot is used to visualize the trees. We will utilize the iris dataset, which contains data on 150 flowers, and we will aim to predict Sepal.Length. Now, let's use the repart function to build the model. The dependent variable will be Sepal.Length, while the independent variables will be Sepal.Width, Petal.Length, Petal.Width, and species. Next, we'll output the model summary. The CP table provides information on the complexity and error of the model, which is very helpful for selecting an appropriate CP value later on. Now, let's visualize the model. Each node represents a condition, while the leaf nodes indicate the predicted values. This visualization helps us easily understand the structure of the model. Next, we will create new data to make a prediction. This new data will include Sepal.Width, Petal.Length, Petal.Width, and species. Using the model, we obtain the predicted value for this new data, which corresponds to the prediction for Sepal.Length. The R code is posted in the community post.